Have you ever heard of an airport being closed for a temple procession? Yes, here is the story of Sri Padmanabhaswamy Temple and the International Airport in Thiruvananthapuram. Sri Padmanabhaswamy Temple is the famous South Indian Vaishnavite temple located in Thiruvananthapuram, the capital city of Kerala. The temple dates to centuries of years ago and has clear mentions in ancient write-ups. It houses Lord Vishnu in a reclining position on Ananthan, the celestial serpent. The city gets its name from this shrine. The two important festivals are Alpashi and Paingani. The festival celebration includes various rituals, cultural programs, artistic performances and shall end with an Arata, the holy bath of the god. The Arata ritual starts with a procession from West Nada of Sri Padmanabhaswamy Temple and travels to Shambhumukham beach at a distance of 5 kilometers from the temple. The procession of Sri Padmanabhaswamy, Narsimha Murti and Tiruvambadi Sri Krishnan is followed by large number of devotees, and Kerala police and temple staff provide security to the procession. On the way to Arata Mandapam, the procession crosses the national highway at Inchikkal. The highway shall remain closed for the procession to pass through. At Vallakadavu, the procession enters to Trivandrum International Airport and travels through the runway. Airport operations will be stopped for 5 hours for this procession. The procession passes through the airport under the surveillance of CRPF. The procession including children, devotees, elephants, royal family members with royal sword shall enters the airport through the allowed gates. Horses, armed cops and police band provide escort to the procession. The entry and travel through the airport is monitored by special pass issued to the devotees. This practice may seem rare but it has a historic base. The temple is having centuries-old history and so the Arata procession. Travancore rulers considered Sri Padmanabha as the protector and supreme god of the kingdom and they ruled under his supremacy. So the annual festivals was celebrated with grand processions since years back. It was during 1932 an airport was commissioned at Thiruvananthapuram. The runway was constructed at the path of the holy Arata procession of Padmanabhaswamy. The royal kingdom demanded for the unhindered procession of Arata, which shall be conducted twice a year. This was accepted and airport operations shall temporarily stop for procession. In 1992, the airport became International Airport and this continues. On the last day of festival, the airport stops its operations at evening 4 o'clock and shall resumes after 5 hours only after the return of the deity after the Arata. After crossing the airport, the procession reaches Shambhumukham beach. The priest shall perform holy rituals at Arata Kalmandapam. After the rituals, the deity shall take a holy bath at the sea and shall return back to the temple through the same path through airport. During the day, the beach turns into a festive ground. The devotees from different places shall assemble near the streets and at the beach to witness the proceedings and holy bath. These are the remainings of the rich cultural heritage of our country.